Have you ever noticed that movie theater popcorn tastes better than regular popcorn at home? Even simple popcorn feels more delicious inside a cinema. But what makes it taste so special? One big reason is the smell. The smell of fresh popcorn spreads quickly inside theaters. This instantly makes people feel hungry. Our brains react strongly to food smells. The aroma of buttered popcorn activates cravings. This makes the popcorn feel more exciting. Movie theaters often use flavored butter oil instead of normal butter. This creates a richer and stronger taste. That's why theater popcorn feels unique. The popcorn is also served hot and fresh. Freshly popped popcorn has a better texture and smell. This improves the overall experience. Theaters use special popcorn kernels. These kernels pop differently and create bigger popcorn pieces. This changes the taste and texture. The movie theater environment also affects taste. The lights, sounds, and excitement create a special mood. Your brain connects popcorn with entertainment. This creates a psychological effect. People enjoy food more when they feel relaxed and entertained. That's why popcorn tastes better during movies. Salt also plays a major role. Theater popcorn usually contains more flavored salt. This makes it more addictive. The fine salt sticks better to popcorn. This spreads flavor evenly in every bite. That's why the taste feels stronger. Popcorn has become part of movie culture. People expect popcorn when they go to the cinema. This emotional connection increases enjoyment. The crunch sound also affects the experience. Crispy sounds make food feel fresher and more satisfying. This is another hidden reason. Theaters are designed to create strong sensory experiences. Everything is made to feel exciting and memorable. Even the popcorn becomes part of that experience. At home, popcorn is usually simpler. People often use less butter and seasoning. This changes the flavor completely. The butter flavor in theaters is specially designed. It is made to smell stronger and taste richer. This attracts customers instantly. The excitement of watching a movie increases appetite. People naturally enjoy snacks more during entertainment. This improves the popcorn experience. So the secret is not only the popcorn itself. It is also the smell, sound, environment, and emotions. All these things work together. This is why theater popcorn feels so memorable. Your brain connects it with fun and excitement. That feeling changes the taste. Movie theaters understand food psychology very well. They create an experience, not just a snack. That's why people keep buying popcorn. So next time you eat movie theater popcorn, remember, it's not just popcorn, it's a carefully designed experience.